Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, that I finally did my nails and this is how they look like. I hope you guys like it. That once it hits closer to March, I will be doing a glam nails. As of for now, I'm just going to show you what I'm currently doing and I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed and like this video. If you guys do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get this video started.
Okay, so I'm going to start off by sharing my products. So I am using the Beetles nail kit. It just comes with all of the nail tips. I've used this over 10 times already, guys, and I still have so many nails left. So this is definitely worth the money, worth all of the product. It's on sale for $22.99 and it originally cost $30. This is not a sponsored ad or anything, but I just really love it and this is what I've been using to do my nails. So pretty much the kit includes, like I said, the nails, and then it includes the lamp as well as the gel. So this is a nail glue. This is the strongest gel nail glue I've tried. It's amazing. This is my UV lamp. It is by Sensation Nail. I did have the old version of it. I got it off Target, but this is a new one that I did get. It's an upgraded one and I did get it off of Walmart and it's super inexpensive for $15 and it works great. It's always been such an inexpensive and good product for me. And as for the other items, I'll be using this base coat. Just any gel polish would work, and I'm using this gel polish top coat by Born Pretty. I really like their product, so this is the other one. It's like a jelly polish color. This is the color Miss Cocoa. It's like a jelly nude color. And then this I got off Shein for like $2. It clips the nails really well. So I'm just rubbing alcohol to disinfect and clean all of my nails to make sure that there's no dust or any, to clean it off. So I'll be using this to measure out my nails. So I'm just taking all of the nail covers, full cover nails, and just measuring to see which one is the best fit for my nails. This kit is really easy as all of the nail numbers are labeled and I found it really easy to find my sizing. So taking the gel nail glue that the kit comes with, I'm applying a little bit on the nail itself. As you guys can see, I just applied a little bit, not too much, and just kind of like pushed my nail and the fake nail on, as well as you guys could see the glue just kind of disperse, and then I cured the glue. The cure works really fast. The UV gel that the kit comes with, I don't know if it's that or just the gel nail glue, it just sets really fast. So make sure that you're prepared when you put it into the light. And then I just finished it off. So I will be starting with a base coat. Normally I don't like to do base coats, but I've noticed that it definitely does help with the gel color application. So I'm just going to put this on all of my nails. Once I have the base coat, I'm going to take my jelly color and I'm going to apply it. I did really like this color, but it is really light and it could take up to 4 coats to achieve what I wanted. So as you guys could see, it's taking a little bit, but this is already like the second coat. And I did decide to take this Orly peachy nude color on my nails just to add more color to them, and I felt like that made it better. Lastly, after I have the desired color, after applying about 2 to 3 coats of the jelly and then also the Orly peachy nude color on top, I did apply a top coat to kind of put everything together, and I'll share with you guys how it looks like after blending the peachy color. I feel like it just made a difference and it made them look so much better. So they are still kind of like clear jelly looking, but with a little bit more color. It's like a nude everyday color with a hint of like pink slash peachy. I really love the way they turned out, and I really love the color and how long these stay on my nails. The key thing about doing my nails this way and with this kit is definitely how long they last. So they pretty much last as long as I'm ready to take them off, which is about 2 weeks into having them. So I love that I don't have to worry and I'm not as careful with them, and they still stay perfectly on. Here you can see the color with a little bit of a different lighting. Love it so much, and I didn't even have to shape the nails. I just pretty much trimmed them and that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this process and this products that I told you guys about. I will try to link them down below, and I will definitely be adding more nail tutorials. So stay tuned for those, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!